Are you stuck in a rut with your watercolor paintings, trying to mix things up or loosen up your style, but not sure how? I have an idea for you. Take a day off from trying to paint perfectly and spend a day just having fun and experimenting. In this video, I'm going to show you a fun and experimental idea for approaching a watercolor painting to help shake things up and get your creative energy flowing. Trying out new methods can be scary and intimidating, but if you approach your blank sheet of paper with an open mind, zero expectations, a playful attitude, and a willingness to just scrap it if it doesn't work, what's the worst that could happen, right? Every painting has the potential to teach you something and stretch your abilities, but only if you're willing to try something a little new. My hope is that after watching this, you'll feel inspired to change it up a little bit and fearlessly play with your paints. Oh, before you start, grab a big piece of good quality paper. Yes, the expensive cotton stuff. Make a mental note that this is not a throwaway sheet. This is a valuable practice painting that's going to help move you forward in your watercolor journey. No scarcity mindsets here. In addition to watercolor paper and paints, here's what you'll need. A big brush, a reference photo of something colorful and complex, like a coral reef, a cityscape, or a bouquet of flowers, tape to secure your paper, or you can stretch it ahead of time. See this video for more about stretching paper, and a spray bottle. Tape your paper down so that it's secure on your board or on your desk, and then take your spray bottle and soak your paper. You can push around the water on your paper with a large clean brush to help spread it evenly across the surface. Also, experiment by leaving some areas dry just to see what happens. If you see areas in your reference photo that are bright white, for example, those are good areas to avoid with the spray bottle. Using your photo as reference, squint at it to get an idea of the general colors and shapes, but don't look too closely. Using your large brush, start grabbing lots of juicy paints in the colors you see in the photo and start globbing it onto your paper, only loosely following the shapes that you see. Mix up your brush strokes. Try vertical, horizontal, blotting, scrubbing, thick strokes, thin strokes, side to side. Fill the entire page with color without worrying at all about the result. Just have fun. Chances are you will see lots of things happening wet and wet on the paper that will surprise and delight you. You might also discover some color combinations you love or brush strokes you didn't even know your brush was capable of. Keep in mind there will also be parts of the painting you don't like, but that's okay. These kinds of paintings aren't the ones you proudly share on social media, but they are the paintings that grow your skills. You'll learn which colors work well with each other, how quickly your paper dries before you need to re-wet it, and which techniques are effective or not. If you guys try a project like this, tag me on Instagram at @eolsonart, and I'd love to check it out. Be sure to hit subscribe so you never miss any new videos, and check out these other videos all about watercolor painting. See you there.